Hello, in this video I want to show you how to get a simple chord in Bellwright. To do this, first let's open our tech tree. You can click on U on your keyboard to open it. Then on the right side we'll be able to find the waiver loom, and when you unlock it right here, you'll be able to get the simple chords. And to unlock waiver loom, you will need to also unlock foraging camp and the first thing in tutorial, which is a shack. So when we already get the waiver loom, build it with normal building menu. I have it right here. Then we need to start waving, and there's the simple chord right here. You will need 3 flags to actually craft it, and flax is this purple or violet flower that you can find basically anywhere. Now just add it to the crafting queue and it should begin crafting. And the other way to find it is also by killing some bandits or looting some chests. You can find the simple chord there as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.